Hello. In this tutorial, we'll be going over the chatter feature in the Community Partner Portal. To log into the Community Partner Portal, go to https://coloradooedit.force.com/partner/login. You can also get to this webpage by going to the Business Funding and Incentives Online Management System and clicking on the OEDIT Partner Login. You will get to this page as well. For this example, I will be logged in as Maria King, the Northwest Enterprise Zone Administrator. When you first log into the portal, you will be on the Chatter homepage and see all the posts. I will be going over the following: how to update your profile and image, getting to the Easy Administrator Group section, how to use the different Chatter functions like post, question, file, link, and poll, and lastly, I will show you how to search in the Chatter feed. Please add an image of yourself. This could be an animal, a flower, or a cartoon character. To change your image, click Chatter. Then click on your name. In this example, I'm just going to update Maria King's profile image here. Hover over the image, and for the first time it'll say add photo, but since I already did one here, I'm just going to click update, and I'm going to choose a file. And so I'm going to click this bird as Maria's profile pic, and she could change it back. Then I will click save. Then this will give you a cropping tool. So I want to get more of the bird here. There we go. And then I'm going to hit save. So now Maria's picture is of this bird. Also in this section, you can update your contact information by clicking on the little pencil icon and click Edit Profile. So now you could change your work phone, your mobile, fax, street address. You could also add some more information about yourself, like maybe your job title, what company you're working at, and any other information you want people to know about. Then you would hit Save All. Okay, so let's get back to the chatter. So I'm going to be showing you the new communication features that you all now have. So to get back to our group section, we'll hit that chatter, groups, and then easy administrators. Your first choice in Chatter is post. So if you'd like, you could share a message with all of the easy administrators if you just type in some text here. So if you'd like, you can bold, underline, or italicize, underline, strike through. And if you need to, you can remove all of the formatting. You could also add in a numbered list and a bulleted list if you'd like. And so once you want to post your message, you hit share, and all of the Enterprise Zone administrators will get this message in Chatter and also in their email. Let's say you wanted to email an individual. So what you would do is you put in the ampersand sign, start typing in their name. So let's say you wanted to send a message actually to Sonia. You start typing in her name, and here she pops up here. And you click on it, and then Salesforce will assign it to her. So now you could ask her a question. Let's say you can't find somebody that you want to send a message to. So what you could do is go over here to the right-hand side under Members, click Show All, and you'll see everyone's name in here. But please note that the South Metro Easy Administrator does not go by their first name. It goes by South Metro Easy Administrator. If you would like to follow anyone in Chatter, click on this plus button, and whenever, let's say, Erin posts something to Chatter, you will get an email about what she is posting about. Or let's say you needed to find out someone's number, you needed to find Jacob's. So if you click on him, you'll actually go to his profile page, but he looks like he needs to update his contact information. So now I'm just going to go back to Chatter here. So our next option is a question. So when you click on this, you get two fields here. This top is for your question, and this bottom is for details about your question. So what I already did is I asked a question down here, and then I went in as Sonia and I answered it. And with questions, you could have many answers, which is great because everyone has different situations. And then once there are many answers, then Sonia can go in and mark the one that she would consider the best answer, and everyone would see that. So our next option is File. So files can be selected from inside Chatter or from a file on your local computer. So once you select a file to upload, you have the option to tag it. And so you'll notice that Sonia has been tagging the files that she's been uploading. So here's the Enterprise Zone Pre-Cert User Guide. She tagged it with the topic of Salesforce User Help. She also did that down here with the Enterprise Zone certification. She tagged that again. So to view these files, there's three ways to view them actually. You can download the file by clicking this download, and then it'll just pop up down here on your desktop. If you hover over the icon, you can preview it inside Chatter. You could make the screen bigger by making it full screen. And then down here are the next page, so you could page through. To exit out of this full screen, you could hit the escape button on your keyboard, or you could go back here and exit the full screen and then exit out of here. The third way to view a file is if you click over here in the files under the Chatter. You'll see this is recent, but if we want to look at all files that have been uploaded, we click all files, and here's all of the files that Sonia has uploaded into the system for us. Okay, so to continue on, hit Chatter again, Groups, Easy Administrators to get back to your group. So I just went through a file, and now I'm going to click on this More to see the last two selections that we have. So now we have a link. So the great thing about these links is we can have videos shown in here that we have uploaded to our Vimeo or our YouTube page. So like this video I'm going to upload later, you'll find it in Chatter, but I'm just going to grab this video tutorial here that we posted, and I'm just going to delete that. There's the link, and then we could put the file name. Just going to grab that, post it in here. And then we could also say something else about this file, but I'm pretty good just posting the URL and the name of the tutorial that we did on this, and I'm just going to click share now. And you'll see it's going to go only to the Easy Administrators group. So I'm going to share that. And we could also add a topic here. Let's see here. Let's see. This would be Enterprise Zone Designation Application. So that's all I'm going to write right there. So there's the topic. And then now you see we get a preview of it. And if we click on the play button, it'll play inside Chatter. Okay. So there we go. So the last type of option that we have is a poll. And polls are really nice because we could ask questions like, when is the best day to have the biannual EZ meeting? How many days a week do you check the portal? And you have choices here, and so you have a max of 10. So, but let me ask this question here. How many days a week do you check into the portal? To approve and deny EZ records. And so we have a choice, 1 day a week, 2 to 3 days a week, 5 days a week, or once a month. How about once a week? And then we'll put once a month. And then I'll just share this now so people could fix that. Now I'm going to share that. So now everyone could go in here and vote. And the good and bad thing about this is it's totally anonymous, so we can't tell who you are if you say only once a month. So the last thing that we could do in here is search. So let's say you knew there was a question that Sonia asked the group, but you can't remember what day, what the subject was. You just knew it was something that she asked. So when I go back here into the Easy Administrators section, this icon with the little search, if you click on it, it expands, and I could click Sonia and then hit enter. So the system will look in the chatter and look up anything that has the word Sonia. So you see it's highlighted, and here's everything she's posted. Now let's say you knew somebody posted something and it had the word pre-cert in it. So you're just going to put in pre-certification, hit enter, and any post with pre-certification will pop up. So here we go. So this only works when you're looking for something in the chatter feed. If you were looking for pre-cert up here in the global search, it's not going to find the chatter feed. It's only going to pull anything that's in the actual easy locations and EC certifications and the cases that everyone is using. So I'm just going to go back to Chatter, Groups, Easy Administrators, and again, get back to this search. So I'm just going to show you one more thing, which is on the right-hand side over here. And over here, you'll always find members, and hopefully everyone will start updating their profile pic so we don't see just the default smiley face. Once we do some group records, you'll see some group records over here. Here's all of the files that are specifically for the easy administrators. And then down here is all of the recently talked about topics that is happening for the easy administrators. That's it for this tutorial on the Chatter feature. Thank you.